Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread using just 2 ripe bananas. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 very ripe bananas, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, have ready 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt. These are the foundational elements for a truly delightful loaf. Now let's get started with the fun part. Take your 2 very ripe bananas and mash them completely in a large bowl. You want them to be quite smooth, with only a few small lumps for texture. Next, pour in your 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix it thoroughly with the mashed bananas. Then, add the 1 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, stirring until everything is well combined and creamy. It's time to bring our wet and dry ingredients together. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together your 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This ensures even distribution. Now, gently fold the dry mixture into your wet banana mixture. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until no streaks of flour remain. Finally, pour your delicious batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, ready for the oven. Almost there. Place your loaf pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It will bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice, serve, and enjoy your homemade, moist banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.